This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. Ensure the handbrake is fully applied. Then place chocks each side of the rear wheel. Position the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Clean the surrounding area, then rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Using a square drive tool, unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Wipe clean the drain plug and renew the sealing washer. Mop away any old oil, then refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container under the oil filter, then using a filter removal tool, slacken and remove the filter. Clean the filter sealing area. Check the old filter to ensure that the rubber sealing ring hasn't stuck to the engine. If it has, remove it. Lubricate the sealing ring on the new filter with clean engine oil. Manoeuvre the filter into position, then tighten it securely by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently. Bring the oil level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick, then securely refit the filler cap and fully insert the dipstick. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes, checking that there are no leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that when the engine is first started, there will be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out while the new filter fills with oil. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. Recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil if necessary. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.